Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Jet Wood Lathe is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools a woodworker can have in their shop, allowing for the creation of intricate bowls, spindles, and other turn projects with precision and ease. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to upgrade your equipment or a hobbyist just starting out, understanding the capabilities and features of a high-quality wood lathe like the Jet can significantly elevate your woodworking game and unlock new creative possibilities. Number 5. Jet 12x21 Variable Speed Woodworking Lathe. Experience exceptional woodworking with this variable speed lathe. It offers robust performance for all your projects. Easily select from 3 optimal speed ranges to match your specific needs. Achieve precise results every time. Our patent-pending ratchet-style belt tension system ensures optimal performance and easy adjustments. It's designed for your convenience. The redesigned controls are intuitive and easy to use. Featuring a larger gyro and a recessed power switch, operation is safer and simpler. Transitioning between forward and reverse is a smooth and seamless process. This enhances your workflow and efficiency. It includes an integrated, spring-loaded spindle lock for quick changes. Plus, enjoy 24 integrated indexing positions for precise work. The tailstock features an Acme thread for durability and reliable performance. It's built to last through demanding tasks. What we like. This model offers exceptional control with its 3 optimal speed ranges, allowing you to dial in the perfect speed for any project. The innovative tensioning system makes adjustments a breeze. If you're looking for versatility and ease of use in a mid-sized lathe, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Jet Wood Lathe is a powerful and versatile tool for any woodworker. Its sturdy construction ensures stability during operation, reducing vibration and improving accuracy. The variable speed control allows for precise adjustments, making it suitable for a wide range of projects. Number 4. Jet 10x15 Woodworking Lathe, JWL 1015. Introducing the Jet 10x15 Woodworking Lathe, model JWL 1015. This powerful machine is designed for precision woodworking. Achieve the perfect finish with 6 spindle speed options, ranging from 500 to 3,975 revolutions per minute. This allows for versatility in your turning projects. Easily orient your workpiece with 24 position indexing. This feature ensures you can achieve the exact orientation needed for intricate details. Experience greater precision thanks to the enhanced tensioning system. It provides easier access to belts for quick adjustments. Work with confidence on this robust machine. Its increased bedway width offers superior stability for even demanding tasks. Benefit from improved gripping power. The tailstock is equipped with a live center for a secure hold on your materials. Rest assured with the Jet Red Assurance Guarantee. It's backed by our industry-leading 5-year warranty against manufacturing defects. What we like. With 6 distinct spindle speeds and 24 position indexing, this lathe provides great flexibility for various turning tasks. Its enhanced tensioning and increased rigidity mean more stability and precision. If you're a beginner or hobbyist seeking a reliable and well-supported machine, its warranty makes it a very attractive option. What people say. The variable speed control is a great feature, allowing for precise adjustments. The cast iron construction provides excellent stability and reduces vibration during operation. The tool rest is easily adjustable, making it convenient for different turning tasks. Number 3. Jet 10x15 Variable Speed Benchtop Woodworking Lathe. Introducing the Jet 10x15 Variable Speed Benchtop Woodworking Lathe. Achieve unparalleled precision with 3 variable speed ranges, allowing you to perfectly match the speed to any workpiece. Our integrated 24-position indexing system ensures precise workpiece alignment every time. This means you can achieve consistent and repeatable results for all your turning projects. Experience increased stability and support, even for larger projects, thanks to its wider bedways. This design provides a more robust platform for your woodworking endeavors. The improved tensioning system offers easier access to belts, ensuring optimal performance and extended longevity. Keep your machine running smoothly for years to come. The Lathe center in the tailstock securely holds your workpiece, providing confidence during various turning operations. This feature is essential for safe and effective wood turning. With 15 to 12 inches between centers, this lathe offers versatile capabilities for a wide range of woodworking projects. It's designed to meet the demands of both hobbyists and professionals. What we like. This benchtop model boasts 3 variable speed ranges, giving you precise control over your turning. The wider bedways offer enhanced stability, perfect for slightly larger projects. If you need a compact yet capable lathe for your workshop and appreciate the ability to fine-tune speeds, this one is a strong contender. What people say. The variable speed control is a great feature, allowing for precise adjustments. The cast iron construction provides excellent stability and reduces vibration during operation. The tool rest is easily adjustable and securely locks in place, making it convenient to switch between different turning tasks. Number 2. Jet 14x40 Variable Speed Woodworking Lathe, JWL 1440 VSK. Introducing the Jet 14x40 Variable Speed Woodworking Lathe. This powerful machine is designed to elevate your woodworking projects with precision and efficiency. Experience ultimate control with 36 indexing positions. Its sliding headstock pivots 360 degrees, offering 7 positive locking points for versatile angling. Achieve the perfect cutting speed for any task. With variable speeds ranging from 400 to 3000 revolutions per minute, you can enhance both work efficiency and the quality of your finishes. The locking tool rest features a redesigned clamping mechanism for a secure hold. This ensures stability and safety during operation. Enjoy stable and precise operation thanks to its robust cast iron base, which minimizes vibration. It also features a secure tailstock hold with an Acme thread and an improved quill lock. What we like. Featuring a remarkable 36 indexing positions and a 360-degree pivoting headstock, this lathe is built for intricate work and versatility. The cast iron base ensures minimal vibration for exceptionally precise operations. If you're tackling complex projects that require detailed indexing and a super stable platform, this is the machine for you. What people say. The tool rest is easy to adjust and holds firmly. The motor has plenty of power for turning larger pieces. The variable speed control allows for precise adjustments. Number 1. Jet 14x40 Variable Speed Woodworking Lathe JWL 1440 VS. Introducing the Jet 14x40 Variable Speed Woodworking Lathe. This powerful machine is designed for precision wood turning. Its headstock slides and pivots 360 degrees, offering 7 locking positions for ultimate control and versatility in your projects. Achieve the perfect speed for any task with variable speed control ranging from 400 to 3000 revolutions per minute. The easy-to-read display ensures accuracy. Work comfortably with the redesigned, positive locking tool rest. Its improved clamping mechanism provides stability and ease of use. The tailstock features an Acme thread and an improved quill locking system with an anti-rotation key for secure operation. Need more room? An optional extension bed can increase the capacity to 60 inches between centers, accommodating larger projects. What we like. This lathe offers a wide variable speed range and a unique sliding headstock for 360-degree pivoting, opening up creative possibilities. The optional extension bed dramatically increases its capacity. If you envision working on larger pieces or need that extra reach for ambitious projects, this model can grow with your ambitions. What people say. The variable speed control is a great feature, allowing for precise adjustments. The cast iron construction provides excellent stability and reduces vibration during operation. The tool rest is easily adjustable and securely locks in place, which is very convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.